Adding music to your Instagram story is a great way to make it more engaging and fun. Here are the steps to add music to your Instagram story. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. Tap on the camera icon in the top left corner of your screen, or swipe right from your Instagram feed to access the camera. Take a photo or video for your story by tapping the white circle button at the bottom of the screen. You can also choose to upload a photo or video from your camera roll by swiping up on the screen. Once you have taken or uploaded your photo or video, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. It looks like a square smiley face with a folded corner. Scroll through the sticker options until you find the music sticker. Tap on it to open the music library. You can now browse through the library to find a song you want to add to your story. You can search for a specific song or browse by genre, mood, or popular selections. Once you have found a song you like, tap on it to select it. You can then choose which part of the song you want to use by sliding the bar along the timeline. You can also customize the appearance of the music sticker by tapping on it and using the editing tools that appear. You can change the size, color, and font of the text. When you are happy with your music sticker, tap on the Done button to add it to your story. You can now share your story by tapping the Your Story button at the bottom of the screen. Your music will play automatically when someone views your story. That's it. By following these steps, you can add music to your Instagram story and make it more fun and engaging for your followers.